Okay, let's try problem 3 in section 5.2. So the conceptual one more. So suppose two events A and B are mutually exclusive, with both probability A not 0 and probability B not 0. By working through the following steps, you'll see why the two mutually exclusive events are not independent. Let's do A first. So A says, for mutually exclusive events, can A occur if B has occurred? Well, think, mutually exclusive, another way you'll see this word in the text in other places is disjoint. Two events are mutually exclusive if there's no overlap. So you think of, here's A, here's B, and there's no overlap. So B is some outcomes here, A is some outcomes here. So can A, if B occurred, I mean something in here occurred, could something in here occurred? And the answer is no, right? Because there's no overlap, which means, so no, so answer is no. If B has occurred, A could not have occurred. Which that just in mathematical language, we can state that as, well, what's the probability of A given that B has occurred? Oh, it's 0. Okay, that's A. Let's look at B. Using the information from part A, can you conclude that events A and B are not independent if they are mutually exclusive? So A and B are mutually exclusive. Let's look at what's the probability of A by itself. We're told it's not 0, right? It's given information. We're told that right here. Well, what's the probability? So let me write this. So if A and B are independent, well then that would tell us that the probability of A does not depend on B, so in fact it would just be equal to probability of A. Oh, we're told that that is not 0. Oh, so if they were independent, we'd say, oh, this thing is not 0. It's something not 0. Ooh, whoops, that contradicts that point right there. So in fact, they can't be independent, because if they were independent, we would get this. So in fact, this should make some sense. If two events are mutually exclusive, knowing that one occurred gives you information about the other one. If one occurred, you know the other did not occur. Independent things, if one occurs, you get no information about the other one. But in this case, if one occurs, we get information that the other one did not occur. So in fact, it should make sense that in this case, A and B are not independent. That's always the case for mutually exclusive events. I'm going to close this down.